Okay guys, so of course we are on the topic solving for the equation of the line. So if we are to solve for the equation of the line or if we are to obtain for the equation of the line, there must be given there. So there are actually four considerations wherein we can solve for the equation of the line. So let us try to discuss this first. So it says, the equation of the line can be obtained or solved given. So first there is given the slope and y-intercept. So if the slope is given and the y-intercept is given, then we can solve for the equation of the line. So let us try to consider this one. You have there, solve for the general form of the line. So look, we are going to solve or obtain the general form of the line. So if we are to remember, the general form of the line is simply equal to ax plus by plus c equals 0. So that is the general form of the equation of the line. So let us try to consider example number 1. Slope is equal to 4 and y-intercept is equal to negative 2. So here we should know that B is the y-intercept, or B is the symbol or sign for y-intercept. So how shall we obtain the equation of the line given the slope and the y-intercept? And we are going to write our answer in the general form. So if we may recall, meron tayong different forms of the equation of the line. And one form is your slope-intercept form. And the slope-intercept form is simply equal to y is equal to mx plus b. So from this slope-intercept form, we will simply substitute the value for m and the value for b. So m is the slope, b is the y-intercept. From the given, m is equal to 4. So our m here will become 4. And b or y-intercept is equal to negative 2. So our b here will become negative 2. So substituting, we have y is equal to, our m is 4. So we will write now 4 instead of m. Then we have x. Then our b is negative 2. So we have plus negative 2. Simplifying, we have y is equal to 4x minus 2. Then it says in the direction, we are going to write it, or the answer should be in the general form. And the general form of the equation of the line is equal to ax plus by plus c equals 0. So we will simply transpose all the terms on the left side. So we have negative 4x. Then we have plus y. Then transposing, that becomes now positive 2 equals 0. Take note that if we are talking about equation of the line, the first term should always be in positive sign, or the leading term should always be in positive sign. So since the sign is negative, we will simply multiply negative to all the terms. So multiplying negative, so we have negative times negative 4x we have 4x, negative times positive y, negative y, then negative times positive 2, we have negative 2, which is now equal to 0. So the final answer is 4x minus y minus 2 equals 0. Okay? So let us try to continue. For example number 2. You are given slope is equal to 1/2, then b is equal to 3, or the y-intercept is equal to 3. So again, the slope-intercept form, we have y is equal to mx plus b. So substituting the value of m, which is 1/2, so we have 1/2 x, then our b is 3, or positive 3. Okay, so here we should always remember that we are going to write or express our equation of the line in terms of integral factors or integral coefficients. Na? So look, itong 1/2, it's not an integer. So therefore, all we need to do is we will simply multiply all the terms of the equation by the LCD. So this is over 1, this is over 1. So we have 1 and 2. The LCD of 1/2, 1 over 1, and 3 over 1, that is simply 2. So multiplying 2 to all the terms, so we get 2 times y, we have 2y. Then 2 times 1x over 2, cancel natin yung 2, cancel natin yung 2, ang matitira ay x. Then we have 2 times positive 3, we get positive 6. Then again, transposing all the terms on the left side, or writing our answer in general form, so that is equal to negative x plus 2y, then minus 6 equals 0. Since negative ang leading term, we are going to multiply negative to all the terms. So negative times negative, positive, negative times positive, negative, then negative times negative, positive 6, then 0. So the final answer is x minus 2y plus 6 equals 0. So that's how we solve or obtain the equation of the line given the slope and the y-intercept. So if we are to obtain or solve for the equation of the line given the slope and the y-intercept, the very first thing for us to remember is the slope-intercept form of the equation of the line. Because from the slope-intercept form, we can solve for the equation of the line. Okay? So I just hope that you did follow. Okay guys, let us try to continue. So this time, we will consider also fractions. I know so well that many learners are afraid of solving or considering fractions in some mathematical problems because they find difficulty in dealing with fractions. But you know, if you really mastered your fractions or how to operate fractions, then I think there's no problem if you are given situation like this. Okay. So still on solving for the equation of the line, given the slope and y-intercept. So you have there the direction, solve for the standard form of the line. So we are going to solve or obtain the standard form of the line. Given that m is equal to negative 2 over 3 and b is equal to 3 over 4 or 3/4. So look, standard form. So again, we have to recall what is the standard form of the equation of the line. So the standard form of the equation of the line is equal to, we have ax plus by equals c. So that is the standard form. That is ax plus by equals c. So our constant term is located on the right side of the equation, while our ax and by are located on the left side of the equation. So again, since the slope and the intercept are given, or the y-intercept are given, then we are going to make use of the equation of the line or form of the equation of the line, that is the slope-intercept form, which is y is equal to mx plus b. So since m is already there, that is negative 2 over 3, and we have also the value for b, which is 3/4. So all we need to do is we simply substitute the values of m and b. So we have y is equal to negative 2, then we have x over 3 plus b, so plus 3/4 plus 3/4. Okay. So that we can consider integral coefficients, we are going to multiply the LCD to all the terms of the equation. So what are your denominators? This is 1, this is your denominator here is 3, and your denominator here is 4. So considering your denominators 1, 3, 4, what is the LCD there? The LCD is simply the product of 3 and 4, which is 12. So multiplying 12 to all the terms in our equation, so we have 12 times y, we have 12y equals 12 times negative 2x over 3. Mag-divide na lang muna tayo. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 4 times negative 2x, we get negative 8x. Then 12 divided by 4, we have 3. 3 times 3, we get 9. So we have positive 9. Transposing our negative 8x to the right side and left side, so our equation will become now 8x, then we have your positive 12y equals 9. So the final answer is now equal to 8x plus 12y equals 9.